Also breaking this hour, the city of New Orleans is making free COVID home tests available to residents at more than a dozen public libraries today. Now, demand for these COVID tests is extremely high right now, as seen during a New Orleans giveaway earlier today. The city was giving free rapid COVID tests to residents earlier, but they quickly ran out. Take a look at this line outside of this fire station on Magazine Street. The city began distributing the tests at 4 fire stations at 8 a.m. and by 9:15, they were all gone.
I decided to come out because I thought it was really important before we saw our family over Christmas. There's several children under 5 who can't be vaccinated. So I thought it was just really important that we test right before we see people.
I just thought it was a brilliant idea to give them to people so they can monitor themselves. And then if it comes positive, I'll go to a doctor or whatever and make sure. But let's take care of each other and take care of ourselves.
Again, the city is now making those COVID tests available to residents today at more than a dozen public libraries. We have that full list. It's a long one for you at WWLTV.com. The apparent run on COVID tests could be bad news ahead of Christmas. City Health Director Dr. Jennifer Avegno, tells us it's very important to make sure you're negative before visiting family and friends.
Knowing your status before you walk out the door is important. If you test positive, you shouldn't be going anywhere. If you can just understand your level of risk and act accordingly, then you should be able to enjoy the holidays.